Hey, are you having fun, Azzy? Yeah? Is it really bumpy? It's really bumpy. Whoa! There's Grandpa. Grandpa's shooting, throwing pumpkins. Whoa, and their sister throwing pumpkins. Really, hold on. Whoa! This is cool. Oh, under high five. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, big bumps. Yeah. Whoa! Oh man, this is crazy. There's the tractor. There's Grandpa. Is Grandpa throwing pumpkins? Oh yeah, and there's Haley's little pumpkins. Oh yeah, hit that one. Go ahead, hit it, hit it. Don't fall out, Haley. All right, is that you? You hit it, Haley? Is this fun, bud?
Yeah.
Are you having a good time?
Yeah.
With Grandpa and with Sister? Yeah. Don't fall, Haley, if it moves. Okay, unload all those pumpkins. There we go. All right. There's another one. Let's see if Grandpa and Haley can hit it. Did you hit it?
I got it.
Nice. All right, Haley, good one. Hey, sweet boy. See, bud, look how cute you look. Look how handsome you are. You're so handsome. Can you go kiss to Mama? Say, Mama, I love you. Wish you were here.
How to heal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is he getting sleepy? We're gonna have hamburgers and go to bed? Okay. Say bye-bye, Mama. Love you.
Bye, Mama. I love you.